Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host, Eben. If this is your first time to the channel, what we do on Synthetic Oil Protection is we show how to exponentially protect engines, transmissions, and differentials 2 to 4 times better than using OEM fluids. So if you're interested in protecting your vehicle exponentially, you can subscribe with the little red icon in the corner, or you just hit the little subscribe button right here, and then you go ahead and tap the notification bell. And that way you'll get new notifications when my new video comes up. So today on Synthetic Oil Protection, we're talking about the best 3 motor oils. That's right, we're going to show exactly which are the top 3 motor oils in 2019. And we're starting right now. So we're starting with number 3, and that's Mobil1 Annual Protection. Mobil1 Annual Protection is a full synthetic. It's good for 1 year or 20,000 miles of normal driving. If you do severe service driving, you should change your motor oil at the recommended interval that your manufacturer recommends. Also, Mobil1 has a filter that goes with that, and we're going to show you that clip inside Walmart right now. This oil filter is good for 1 year, 20,000 miles, and it takes out 99% of the particles at 30 microns. So you guys saw inside Walmart, you saw the filter, pretty impressive. This is really, they're stepping up the quality of this motor oil. You can't go wrong with Mobil1 Annual Protection. We're on to number 2. This is Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. This is a wonderful full synthetic motor oil. It comes factory fill in many SRT vehicles, such as the Dodge Viper, the Hellcat, and the Demon. The great thing about Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is it doesn't burn off easy. This is very comparable to AMSOIL in burn off. The other great thing about Pennzoil is you can get it at the Dodge Chrysler dealerships. It's readily available there, and it's not too pricey. Now it's on to number 1. That's AMSOIL Signature Series. AMSOIL Signature Series is AMSOIL's number 1 100% synthetic motor oil. That's right, it's 100% synthetic, and it's good for 1 year, 25,000 miles, or 700 idling hours. So this motor oil is so robust, you can actually do 1 year, 15,000 miles of severe service. So if you have a vehicle that you drive in dusty conditions, you tow a trailer, you plow snow, you can run AMSOIL Signature Series for 1 year and 15,000 miles of aggressive severe service. If you're doing normal driving, which is trips over about 10 miles, and you're getting the car warmed up, you can run AMSOIL Signature Series for 1 year and 25,000 miles. You heard me right. There's many things that make AMSOIL Signature Series different. The primary thing is the way the synthetic molecules are. They're all 100% synthetic, so it's not a synthetic blend like Mobil1 Annual Protection and also Ultra Platinum are blends. AMSOIL is 100% synthetic, so all the molecules are the same shape, and when they move past each other, there's much less friction, which is less heat, less wear on your engine, and also less oil burn off. And I'm going to cut to a clip right this second that shows how much different the oils are in burn off and how the oil breaks down. So now you saw the clip showing the burn off and the breakdown of the motor oil. Now we're going to go ahead and show the AMSOIL filter and how good that is. So here's the AMSOIL oil filter. This is a proprietary synthetic medium. This oil filter is good for 1 year, 25,000 miles, and it filters at 98.7% efficiency at 20 microns. So the ability of this filter to flow at very cold temperatures also makes it much better, because the way the synthetic medium is in there, the oil flows through with less resistance, increased fuel mileage, and also less wear on startup. Also, the anti-drain back valve inside is made out of silicone. It's not hard rubber, so over the course of a year, it does not deform and it doesn't allow the oil to drain back out. And when the motor oil drains back out, what happens is when you do your next cold start the next day, the oil isn't flowing right away, and about 80% of the wear on an engine is during the cold start the next day. I'm sure you're all wondering, where can you get these motor oils? I got this one at Walmart, the annual protection. They only had 1 or 2 viscosities you'll see in the video. Also, the Pennzoil, I got this one at a dealership. If there's a dealership close to you, you're good. Sometimes they can have this at Walmart. Sometimes they run out of it. They just don't have it. And then as far as AMSOIL, you can get AMSOIL at many retailers. What you have to do is you have to go to the AMSOIL website and you can actually put in your zip code and find out where you can buy this. This is actually better to get online because now there's a new change in AMSOIL's system where you can actually get AMSOIL at 25% off and also free shipping on orders $100 or more. And I have my personal link. You can use that. It's in the description below and it's in the comment section. Another nice thing about AMSOIL is there's many viscosities. So AMSOIL has 0W20, they have 5W30, they have 5W50 in Signature Series. So basically whatever engine you have, AMSOIL makes the oil for your car. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I appreciate you guys watching my video. If this video was informative, definitely consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested in protecting your vehicle exponentially, you can subscribe by clicking the red icon in the corner. And as always, I really appreciate you guys checking out my YouTube channel. We will see you guys back next time on synthetic oil protection. Cheers to protection, protection, protection.